This is GACE 023, number 16. Okay, this question is talking about the Richter scale, which is a base 10. Don't worry about the word logarithmic right now. It's base 10 scale used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes. But then it goes on to explain it, okay? It says that if you've got an earthquake measuring 7, it is 10 times as strong as an earthquake measuring 6, okay? This is what it means when it says it's a base 10 logarithmic scale. It means that technically it is a 10 to some power scale. Okay, so 10 to the 6th, if you multiply that by 10, you'd get to 10 to the 7th. So it's a scale that it increases so greatly that they have to use very large numbers, and they don't even talk about the 10 anymore. They only compare exponents. Okay, so what this is saying is it's asking you to compare 6.6 and 6.8 on the Richter scale. Okay, and I want you to keep in mind, I know that we don't use this particular percentage idea anymore, like we try to stay away from keywords, but I'm going to tell you that it's important here because we tend to want to always put the smaller number on top and the larger number on the bottom. But I want you to say that it says of an earthquake measuring 6.6. So it's actually asking you this. If you have, so of is the 6.6, 10 to the 6.8, because that's what it means when it says that it measures 6.8 on the Richter scale, out of 10 to the 6.6 equals what percent, that's what it's asking for, over 100, okay? So using that terminology, and essentially I haven't taught you really anything new except the idea of what it means when it says it's base 10, okay? I'll tell you that the Richter scale uses this, as does sound, like the intensity of sound, the number of decibels. It's because it's using a base of 10 as well. So I'm going to type in 10 to the power of 6.8, enter. It's that huge number, 6 million whatever, times 100, enter, and I get 630 million whatever that is. And then I'm going to divide it by 10 to the power of 6.6, enter. Okay. Okay, just a second ago, I must have typed something incorrectly because when I did it the second time, I'm getting a number, 158.489, okay? So it's roughly 158% larger.